Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two videos showing multiple fibroids, including a calcified fibroids. You can see the uterus, it is retroverted. Your bladder, this is uterus, and this is the cervix. Now you can see the transverse scan showing both the ovaries. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous growths of the uterus that often appear during childbearing age. Fibroids range in size from seedlings undetectable by the human eye to bulky masses that can distort and enlarge the uterus. Now you can see a fibroid in the distal portion of the uterus near the fundus, and it is showing a stone-like shadowing due to the calcification developed in the fibroids. And this is subserosal fibroid. You can see the shadowing caused by the calcification in the fibroid. Calcification develops when the fibroids remains in the uterus for a long time. Fibroids may be single or multiple ones. Uterine fibroids are generally harmless and often go away on their own when symptoms occur. However, untreated fibroids can interfere with the person's quality of life and may lead to complications such as anemia. Uterine fibroids are generally homogeneous, hyperechogenic. Now you are going to see the other video, and this video shows two fibroids. Homogeneous hypoechogenic masses in the uterine cavity on ultrasound are highly suggestive of endometrial polyps, but the myometrial echogenicity of uterine fibroids may vary, and these may be hypoechogenic, isoechogenic, or hyperechogenic, or mixed, which depends on the size and nature of the fibroid. Now you are going to see two fibroids lying adjacent to each other in the middle and distal portion of the uterus, and you can see the change in the echogenicity of these fibroids. One is hypoechogenic and the other is hyperechogenic. So there must be a change in the birth of both of these fibroids. So there may be different in the duration of time these fibroids have been developed in the uterus, and there is significant difference between the echogenicity of both these masses, and if the fibroids remains for a long time, calcification may occur, as you have seen in the first video. There was significant calcification in the fibroid. Fibroids are always benign, not cancerous, almost always benign. Rarely less than 1 in 1,000 a cancerous fibroid will occur. This is called leiomyosarcoma. Fibroids are abnormal growths that develop on the uterus. These tumors may become quite large and cause severe abdominal pain and heavy periods. In some cases, they cause no sign or symptoms at all. These fibroids are typically benign or non-cancerous. The cause of fibroids is unknown. Fibroids are also known by the following names: leiomyomas, myomas, uterine myomas, fibromas. According to some researchers, almost 80% of women have them by the age of 50. However, most women do not have any symptoms and may never know they have a fibroid. Now, the types of fibroids. The type of fibroids depend on its location or on the uterus. Intramural fibroids, these are most common types of fibroids, and these type appear within the muscular wall of the uterus. Intramural fibroids may grow larger and can stretch the uterus. Then there are subserosal fibroids, pedunculated fibroids, and submucosal fibroids. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.